Hello guys, as I promised you, this is the third unboxing. As you may know, we already unboxed the Opinel. If you remember it, I'll show it again right here. It's very sharp, has a very nice closing mechanism. As you can see, made in France. Don't know if you can read on it. Okay, so this is the Opinel. So number 8. The Sika 100 black edition. Okay. This is it. Okay. Very nice case. Very solid and durable. And is very sharp. It's incredibly sharp. I highly recommend you this knife also. It's amazing. Okay, I will let them like this here. Okay. And now let's unbox the Sika 90. As you can see, here are some dimensions. I will add in the description a lot of details about it. Same stainless steel, 5CR15. I can't wait to see it. Okay, let's unbox it. Okay, I will use the Opinel knife. To do this. So first I will remove the bands here. They secure it very well, I think, in order to not be opened in the store. So all of these are bought from Decathlon. So they are very cheap in Decathlon store. We have again the same problem like we had with Sika 100. It is very well fixed inside. I'll try to get it out, but I'm not sure if I will be able to. Let's try to open it also here. Okay. Whoa, it was very well fixed inside, with lots of here, as you can see, and has something white on it, like a dust. I don't know what it is. Looks little. Looks small. So I'll show you again the case, the box. So from Solognac, Sika 900 We have here a 20 degrees blade, so should be much stronger. This one is 3 mm thick, so Sika 100 is only 2.5 mm thick. So this one is thicker. Okay. Let's cut this. Okay. As you can see, Opinel is very, very sharp and very useful knife. Let me clean it a little because it had some white dust on it. It's very, very interesting. I don't know if this what is for. Maybe a band or... Oh! It has something here. Okay. So it has... Oh, you can... okay, you can use it like this. And you can put it to your belt. So it's very interesting, this mechanism. So here is the... how you can secure it. With this you can open it easily like this when you want to take it out. This case is very durable from what I see, and it's very well made also. It's quite impressive. I like it. I like it a lot. Yes. Let's see it. Wow. It's very, very thick. 3 mm. Is resistant gear. Here it says resistant gear. Now if it's focused enough. Okay. Also made in China, but is a pretty good quality from what I see. Okay, I will remove the other ones for a moment just to focus on this one. So this is how it looks. It stays very well in your hand. This material here is like a rubber, a hard rubber. It almost sticks to your hand. It's let's see. Let's first see if it cuts hair. Whoa! It cut one like crazy. Yes, it's very sharp. As you can see, it's very, very sharp. So the hair is no problem for it. Very clean cut, as you see. So detailed descriptions you will find in the description of the video. Let's check the blade. So the blade is already sharp. As you can see. Quite impressive, I like it. It's a very nice design. So this is the third unboxing from the third item series. I hope you like it as much as I do, and if you like it, please subscribe. We highly appreciate your support, and I want to announce you that we hit the 100 subscribers number, so I think we will party, have a little party. It was really hard. The channel is almost 2 years old, and it's very hard to get subscribers. As I told you, just 1% of you guys are hitting the subscribe button. I encourage you to do it. It doesn't cost you anything, and will support the channel. And I hope that we will post more quality videos, better than this one, and I hope that we will enjoy the other videos as well. So I want to thank you again for all your support, and thanks for watching. So I will put it here like this. Okay, so this is Solognac 90 or like this. Let's see, like this, yes. Okay, and here is the Sika 100. They are so nice, so beautiful. Thank you guys, I hope you like it, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Also, if you have friends that won't mind to share to them as well this video, or also them if they can subscribe to our channel and help us reach more people, we will be very happy. And I want to thank you again for all your support. Thank you guys. Bye bye.